Uh, Dear students, today we will learn some theorem and important one. Okay. Now, dear students, observe this handshaking theorem. So, let G is equal to V comma I. We can denote the graph with like this. So, be an undirected graph with M edges. Then 2M is equal summation V belongs to V, degree of V. So, this one we can write, in terminology, we can say like this. Summation degree of V is nothing but sum of degrees of each vertex in a graph. For example, 5 vertices are there in a graph. Then we'll calculate degree of each vertex and we'll sum. So sum of degree of all vertices is equal to 2 into number of edges. M is nothing but number of edges. So this will be equal in every graph. Now how this will be equal? So that is a theorem. Okay, so we will see in an example to find the number of edges. For example, you can observe this theorem for every graph. You observe, calculate the degree of each vertex and sum, and after that count the number of edges and multiply with 2. Whether they are equal or not, you can check with the previous graphs G and H. Okay, that is true always. Now observe, there is a question: how many edges are there in a graph with 10 vertices, each of degree 6? Now observe, here what is given? 10 vertices are given. Okay, total number of vertices mod V equal to 6. 10, and each of degree 6. Now observe here, each vertex has degree 6. Okay, that means observe sum of degree of vertices, that is nothing but 2m from this one. Okay, so 2m is equal to sum of the degree of all vertices. Now what is the sum of all degree vertices here? Observe, we have 10 vertices are there, each one having the degree 6. So total sum of the degree of vertices is nothing but now 10 into 6. So of course sum of the degrees of vertices is nothing but 2m. Now 2m is equal 60. Now from this we can calculate m is equal 30. So number of edges m is nothing but 30. Like this we can calculate. Okay, if m is given, also we can calculate v, number of vertices. Now observe another theorem. An undirected graph has an even number of vertices of odd degree. Now what is the meaning of this one? Okay, so observe, in an undirected graph, okay, has an even number of vertices, 2, 4, 6, 8, like that. Okay, of odd degree. That means if a vertex having the degree 3, 5, 1, like that, odd number, okay, of degree of vertex is odd. Okay, like that, how many vertices will be there? Even number of vertices will be there. So we will prove this one. Degree, that means we are dividing the total number of vertices into two categories. One is even degree set and another is odd degree set. Now as a result, we observe mod v1 plus mod v2 is nothing but mod v, that is the number of vertices v1 and v2 is equal to mod v, that means total number of vertices are there, we will say. For example, now the previous theorem, from the previous theorem, what we can say? 2 into number of edges equal to sum of the degree of every vertex. Okay, now here observe that what sum of degree of each vertex is nothing but sum of degree of even vertex and sum of degrees of odd vertices, because v1 v2 we are divided. Now sum of the degree of vertices by the previous theorem is equal 2m. Now 2m is equal this one. Now from 1 observe, v1 is nothing but set of even numbers and v2 is also even. Observe here, 2m is even. Okay, 2 into m is even because multiplied with 2. So LHS is even, then automatically right side should be even because you know something, 2 when 2m is even, then the total should be also even. Now in this one, two sum of two terms are there. Okay, now observe this one here, odd plus odd is equal to even, even plus even is equal to even. Now odd, these two are not applicable here because 2m is even. Okay, so when we will get even, either sum of two odd numbers or either sum of two even numbers. Now observe in these two which is even. Observe in these two first term, sum v belongs to even, degree of v is even. Since this is sum of all even terms only, because v1 has taken the set of even numbers, so sum of even numbers is even. Now this is even, then automatically what about the second term is even. Why? Because if even is equal, what you will get, if one term is even, then automatically another term is even. Observe, if one term is odd, another term is odd. Okay, so now we know this term is even, then automatically second term in RHS is also even. So this must be even. Observe here, this is even is nothing but sum of terms. Okay, then how many such terms will be there? Observe, all these terms are, okay, odd numbers. Okay, sum odd number, you will get even. Two times if you sum odd number, you will get even. If odd number, if you sometimes, then you are getting odd number. That means what is there here? That means observe here, this term should we get even number of sums only. So these must be even number, then only that you will get even. So thus there are even number of vertices of odd degree. Now observe, when a comma b is an edge of the graph G with directed edges, a is said to be adjacent to b and b is said to be adjacent from a. The vertex a is called initial vertex of a comma b and b is called the terminal vertex of a comma b. The initial vertex and terminal vertex of a loop are same. Just we are seen in the directed graphs. These will be, we will see in the directed graphs. Thank you.